Today, I'll walk you through how to publish a Power BI dashboard to the web, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to share your dashboard online so you can reach a wider audience with your insights. Let's get started. First, open Power BI Desktop. This is where you'll create and manage your dashboards. If you're familiar with other Microsoft applications, this interface will feel quite similar. It's designed to be user-friendly. Once you have your dashboard ready, navigate to the Home tab. Here, you will find the Publish button. Click on that. This is your gateway to sharing your work with the world. Before you proceed, make sure to save your work. If you haven't saved yet, a window will pop up prompting you to do so. This step is crucial, as it ensures that all your recent changes are captured before you publish. Think of it as locking in your final edits before sending a document to print. Next, you'll need to select a destination for your published dashboard. The default option, My Workspace, is a safe choice for most users. However, if your organization has its own workspace, feel free to choose that instead. This is similar to choosing a folder on your computer where you want to save a file. It helps keep your work organized. After selecting your destination, you will see the publishing status. This may take a moment, so don't worry if it seems like it's taking a while. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Once the publishing process is complete, a new window will appear. In this window, choose Open followed by the name of your file in Power BI. This action will open your dashboard directly in your web browser. It's like stepping out of a workshop and into a gallery where others can view your work. And there you have it. You've successfully published your Power BI dashboard to the web. This not only allows you to share your insights with others, but also enhances collaboration within your team or organization. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.